different types of people you should run from in a relationship. Number one, the convenient lover. If you see somebody that love you based on convenience, run. That one that only love you when they have time. They don't prioritize you. They just chill until anytime that they have cleared their table, anytime they are back from the office, anytime that they are free. That's when they pick up their phone and call you and ask you what's up. Run from convenient lovers because they are users. They are just using you to while away time. They don't have any business with love. When people cannot prioritize you, they don't love you. When you get into a relationship, the first thing you should pay attention to is priority. What is priority? Does he put me first? Can he be able to squeeze out time for me? They used to go and piss. They used to go and shit. They have time to call you there. So run from convenient lovers. They are scammers. Number two, liars. Jesus. Liars are people that lie for nothing. They just lie to feel smart. They just lie to play you. They don't lie for nothing. They cannot say the truth. Any small thing they'll be lying. And you'll be like, why are you even lying? You know I'm not going to beat you. You know, they will just lie. Where did you drop this cup? The cup is in the kitchen, but the cup is in the dining. They just like to lie to play smart. Jesus. Run from such people in a relationship because they will stress you. They will stress you. You will see, they'll say, no. But it's you I just saw now. Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Liars will stress you in a relationship. Like, they'll give you a headache. So once you see that this person can lie for nothing, this person used to lie for nothing. They enjoy life. And lying is their hobby. Run from there. Those people are terrible. They will drain you. They'll make you go mad. They'll make you go crazy. Run from liars. Now them be egbon. Number three, naggers. Oh God, if you don't want to die young in a relationship, run from a nag. A man is a nag. A woman is a nag. A nag is that person that picks up unnecessary fights. They don't want to listen. They don't want to hear. They just want to fight every time. Why? Could you pay attention? Naggers are people who don't pay attention. They don't want to understand you. They don't want to know where you are coming from. Let's just be going here every time. Whoa. Naggers are people who don't want to have conversations. The moment you want to sit down and have a conversation with them, they turn the conversation to fight, quarrel, buzz. If you meet such people that can nag, run from a relationship. Date people who can communicate with you, somebody who can want to listen to you and understand where you're coming from. Naggers don't want to hear anything. Show me the say that. Before you say jack, they will start to shout. Before you say pat, they don't break bottles. They don't get it. Madam, calm down. Oga, calm down. We are having a conversation. Run from naggers. They will drain you. They will kill you. Mental health. They will violent people. Hey! Any small thing, they don't break bottles. They don't carry television. Violent people will kill you. There is nothing you want to tell me that I'm going to accept a violent person. There's nothing like I'm a hot-tempered person. Madam, cool your temper. Because all of us have temper. All of us are mad. If all of us decide to display our violent side, we cannot be in a relationship. You are doing violent because me, I'm keeping quiet. Because me, I'm playing calm woman. Because the man is playing calm man. If all of us won't bring out our way or our madness, all of us go run. Oh. So when somebody wants to get violent with you, Oga, run, madam, run. Violence is a no-no in a relationship before they kill somebody's child. Violent people are people who cannot control their anger. And when you're in a relationship and a marriage and you cannot control your anger, my dear, I cannot marry you before you wake up one day and kill me and tell me that you are sorry. Run from violent people. Selfish people. Selfish people are people who want so much from you and don't want to give you anything. The expectation, they're always expecting something. You are supposed to. They don't want to give anything. They sit down in their comfort zone and dictate and project what you are supposed to do. But they are so relaxed. They don't have stress. They don't have power. Selfish people are people you should run away from in a relationship. People that don't want to make sacrifices, that don't want to put in effort, that don't want to move their hands. They are just relaxed and telling you what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to give me money. You're supposed to lie like this. You're supposed to raise your leg. Selfish people will drain you. Selfish people will make you sick. Selfish people will turn you to an animal, somebody that you are not. They will make you to be doing like mumu because there is nothing you even do to satisfy a selfish person. Why? Because they don't put in effort. They just project. So they don't even know the energy and the effort that you're putting in the things that you're trying to do to please them. They are just saying, you're supposed to, you did not do this one. Selfish people, run from them. Those people are number 6. ITK people. I too know people. Hey! I too know people are people who don't know anything, but they will not allow you to teach them. Don't get into a relationship with somebody you cannot teach, because why are you coming into a relationship with me if you know everything? The reason why we are coming into a relationship is to partner. You share what you know, I share what I know. If I cannot share what I know with you, madam, go and date yourself. Oga, go and date yourself. ITK. If you date ITK people, you'll be miserable in the relationship. They will not allow you to talk. They will not allow you to share your opinion. They know everything. I know you. You're my girlfriend. I know you. I know you. They don't know you, but they will always say that they know you. They will stress you. ITK people who cannot have conversations, people who don't want to listen to other people's opinion in a relationship. My darling, run from such, because they are going to drain you. That is how your eye will be like this 24 hours, sleepy, and they're always talking off point. They can talk off point. ITK people. Number 7, the last but not the least. Don't date people that do not make sound during sex. Yes, I said what I said. All these people that begin, they'll be holding their breaths, they'll be holding their expression during sex. They don't want to express themselves. You are making them happy, you're touching them in the right spots. They don't want to even make a sound to say, they're forming man, they're forming woman, they're forming akpobi. Don't date them. All these people that will not open their mouth and express themselves when you are making love to them and they're enjoying it. Those kind of people, they are dangerous people. They will be making you to be wasting your time. And you know that sex is work. After putting all your energy, you are knocking them. Why you didn't open your mouth and talk? It simply means those people have communication problem. They are pretenders. Something will be sweeting them. The vision as everything is not sweeting. As everything is bitter. Those people are pretenders. So don't date such people. Don't date such people. They should open their mouth and shout when you're making love to them, when you are doing it right, when you're hitting it right. Sex is work. Don't date such people. That's finished.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware